Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you guys? I hope that you are all fine and doing very well. Dear viewers, today I'm back again with another stunning, another gorgeous, another beautiful collection of handbag designs. So these are the latest and trending designer handbag designs. These are branded bags that I'm gonna show you in this video, and the designs are so amazing. So I hope that you will love these beautiful designer handbag designs, and these are branded. So for those ladies who love to wear branded and designer handbags, this is a very nice collection for them. So guys, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video. And I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you and very useful for you. All the designs are so beautiful, so nice and gorgeous. So these are all my favorite designs, and I hope that this collection is gonna be your favorite too. So you can see different colors, different designing, and these are unique, elegant and beautiful also. If you are loving these designs, so please do also like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. And to tell me how is the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and thanks for your appreciation, for your positive feedback. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.